Hello students, today we are going to see conversion of time. What is conversion? We have already learned about conversion of length, conversion of capacity, conversion of weight. Today we are going to see conversion of time. So conversion, converting it from bigger unit to smaller unit or from smaller unit to bigger unit. So when we are speaking here about the time, so we have 24 hours in a day and 1 hour it is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So when we are converting hour to minute, we have to multiply by 60. Similarly, when we are converting 1 minute to seconds, we have to multiply by 60. But suppose we are converting seconds to minutes, then we have to divide by 40. And if we are converting minutes to hours, we have to again divide. So when we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we will multiply, and when we will convert smaller unit to bigger unit, we will multiply. So now let us take one example. Convert 3 hours to, sorry, it is not 3 minutes, it is convert 3 hours to minutes. Okay, now let us see. So as we have already learned that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So students, when we are going to convert these 3 hours into minutes, we have to multiply the number of hours with 60 minutes. So 3 hours is equal to the number of hours, here 3 will be multiplied by 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Right students? So here you see, you have to follow the multiplication. 3 into 60. So 3 into 0 is 0 and 3 into 6 is 18. So it is 180 minutes. Right students? So when you convert hours to minutes, you have to multiply the number of hours with 60 minutes and you will get the answer. Students, now let us see one more example of conversion. 5 hours 20 minutes are to be converted into minutes. So as the last example, we will multiply 5 hours 20 minutes by 60 minutes. So here you can see 5 hours and 20 minutes. So these 20 minutes are already in minutes. So we need not convert them. We have to keep them as it is. But we need to convert these 5 hours into minutes. So we will multiply these. See here, 5, first we will write what is the question. 5 hours 20 minutes, right? 20 minutes is equal to, we have to convert this whole 5 hours 20 minutes into minutes. So we will write it, then we will write 5 into 60 minutes. 5 into 60 minutes plus these 20 minutes will be written as it is. Right? Now both these have got converted into minutes. Now let us solve this multiplication. 5 into 0 is 0. 5 6 are 30. So these are 300 minutes plus these 20 minutes. So when we add 320, we get it 320 minutes. So the answer to 5 hours 20 minutes is 320 minutes. So in this same way, you can solve the sums that are given on conversion from hours to minutes in your exercise number 4. Students, now let us see how to convert minutes to seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So when we want to convert minute to seconds, we have to multiply the number of minutes with seconds so that the number of minutes will get converted to seconds. So here you see, the first question is 8 minutes. We have to convert 8 minutes to seconds. So as we know, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 8 minutes is equal to the number of minutes, that is 8 multiplied by 60, and the unit will be seconds. So see here, 8 into 0 is 0, 8 6 are 48. So the answer is 480 seconds. So 8 minutes is equal to 480 seconds. Yes. Now see the second example. We have to convert 10 minutes 25 seconds into seconds. So here you can see that these 25 seconds are already given in seconds. We need not convert them. We have to keep them as it is. We need to convert the 10 minutes into seconds. So we will write the question first, that is 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes 25 seconds, right, is equal to, these 10 will be multiplied by 60. 10 into 60 seconds plus these 25 seconds as it is. So now let us do it. 10 zeros are 0 and 10 6 are 60. So these are 600 seconds plus these 25 seconds. So now let us add both of these. It is 600 plus 25. It means 625 seconds. Yes. So the answer to 10 minutes 25 seconds is 625 seconds. So this is the way how you can convert minutes to seconds. You have to just multiply by 60 seconds. The number which is given in minutes has to be converted into seconds, and the number which is given in seconds, it has to be kept as it is and then added to the minutes when they are converted to seconds, and together we have to write the answer. So here you can see the answer is 625 seconds. Students, now let us see conversion of minutes to hours. So on the board I have shown you how to convert bigger unit to smaller unit, that is hours to minutes and minutes to seconds. Now let us see conversion of smaller unit to bigger unit, that is minutes to hours and seconds to minutes. So students, when we convert smaller unit to bigger unit, we have to divide. So if we want to convert minutes to hours, then we have to divide the number of minutes given by 60, right? So see here an example is given, convert 520 minutes to hours. So let us solve it. 520 minutes is equal to, so 520 will be divided by 60 to get them converted into hours, right? So now let us solve it here. 520 divided by 60. So see here, when it comes to 60, 8 za 480, right? 0 from 12 we cannot subtract 8, so I borrow 1. This becomes 4 here. 12 minus 8 is 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So 40 is the remainder. We cannot subtract this 40 since 40 is smaller than 60. So this 40 will remain in minutes itself, and this 8 has got converted into hours. So 520 minutes means 8 hours 40 minutes. Okay students, it is 8 hours 40 minutes. Now let us see one more conversion. Now we will do conversion of seconds to minutes, right? Seconds 2 minutes. So let us take one more example here. Here we go. Convert 875 seconds to minutes. Right, students? So as I have told you, when we convert smaller to bigger unit, we divide. So 875 seconds, when we are converting it into minutes, we have to multiply it by 60, right? So that it gets converted to minutes. So we will divide 875 by 60. So here you see, if we consider these two digits, 60 ones are 60. From 7 0 goes, 7 remains. From 8 if I subtract 6, it is 2. This 5 is taken down. Now see, 60 ones are 60, 62s are 120, 63s are 180, 64s are 240. 240. If I take 65s, it will be greater than 275. So I take 64s are 240. Now let's do the subtraction. From 5 I subtract 0, it's 5. From 7 I subtract 4, it's 3. From 2 I subtract 2, it's 0. So this 35 is the remainder. Right, students? So it will remain in seconds itself, and this 14 has got converted into minutes. So 875 seconds is equal to 14 minutes and 35 seconds. So similarly, in the same manner, you can solve the exercise number 4, which is given in the textbook. In that exercise, the questions are convert into minutes, convert into seconds, convert into hours and minutes, convert into minutes and seconds. Both conversion from bigger unit to smaller unit and smaller unit to bigger unit is given in the exercise.